I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing your materials: lava buckets, a water bucket, and a strong pick. Once done, build a rigid 3x3 mold using stone or obsidian so blocks won't replace themselves. Next, place single block depressions where you want source lava. These define the final cast shape. Pour lava into those source spots carefully. Do this before water to avoid accidental obsidian. Make sure to leave a channel around the mold so you can flow water in to convert lava into solid blocks. Now you pour lava into each source depression, checking every spot becomes a true source block. Flowing lava will ruin the shape. Once all sources are placed, step back and use slabs or blocks to channel flow so lava can't spill. Then, from the reserved channel, release water so it flows across the mold in one sweep. This converts the surface into solid blocks. Cobblestone if flowing lava, obsidian if source meets water. You do this to lock the cast geometry into place. After conversion, pull back the water and wait a beat so blocks finish forming, then mine them with the proper pickaxe. If you see lava still flowing or missing pieces, reintroduce water to reconvert areas or replace any lost source blocks and repeat the flow step. This fixes common voids. If blocks melt or burn nearby, replace flammable materials with stone and consider a fire resistance potion. Finally, always clear stray lava with a bucket to prevent accidental reflow when you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.